What's the latest Bollywood rumors you guys have heard? Have you heard anything crazy that's been going on?
I've been talking to Manoj Bajpayee recently.
Oh, nice.
And,
Good man.
But you talked about a professional. Him and I are sexting
like-
each other. And,
You remember the time when at some award ceremony he got really pissed at Shahrukh for making fun of his name?
मुझे तुमसे एक सवाल पूछना है कि यार तुम्हारा नाम है नील नितिन मुकेश भैया सरनेम कहाँ पे है सारे के सारे ये फर्स्ट नेम है
I think you haven't seen my father sitting out here also.
I think you still believe in WWE.
But
That's the very.
it'll be weird if they fit in like a random Hrithik movie in between and went to Krish 5. You know, like Krish 4 is actually
Lakshya was
yeah,
actually
Lakshya's
Krish
Krish
2,
4,
yeah.
yeah, and then we have Krish 5.
Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of That Filmy Game Show, the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge we find out who is the biggest Bollywood Badshah or Begum. We have changed some things around from our last show. You will notice this is a new live property. We have a live audience. Woo! Yes. Nice. They understand when to clap. They've been trained well
Yes.
by one of our other audience members. They've been, nice.
Even then, someone on the comments were, hey, paid audience.
Fucking paid audience. Nice. Welcome, guys. Welcome to everyone. First up on the show today, we have Sriram Padmanabhan. Yes. A couple of words in your intro. How well do you think you'll do against Akash today?
Not that great. I'm not that great with Bollywood stuff in general. But all this was just an excuse to meet Akash and you after so long. We don't catch up much.
You don't catch up enough.
Yeah.
That's true.
How are you
that's
doing,
true.
Antriksh?
It's all right. Moving on. We also have Akash Saraogi.
Oh, why? I mean, I won last time also. So, see, this is going to be a cakewalk again.
Pretty
What
much.
was yours? Where did you stand last time? Did you win? Did you lose?
No, I lost to Naveen, my arch nemesis.
Oh,
On
shit.
the
Hey, why are you
interwebs.
pitting me against the losers and all? You know, I thought like winners, then the bigger round.
See, what matters really is how well someone did. You did not do that well in
Yeah.
your last. You won because the other person sucked even
Yeah.
harder.
It was like a Ireland versus Afghanistan match that you had, okay? Whereas I lost closely to Australia, and that's where we differ, Akash.
Yeah, that's what you
All
did.
right, man.
Yes.
Okay, I know slightly Bollywood. Just here
You
and
know,
there.
Little bit,
slightly
here and there.
Bollywood.
Here and
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
What's the latest Bollywood rumors you guys have heard? Have you heard anything crazy that's been going on?
I've been talking to Manoj Bajpayee recently.
Oh, nice.
And,
Good man.
The rumor...
I have actually talked to him.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
But you talked about a professional. Him
That's
and
true.
I are sexting each other.
Oh,
and-
okay, cool.
huh.
Yeah, fair. Yeah.
And he tells me about how he's into latex condoms these days.
Oh,
That's
nice, man.
my-
That's I hear that they're good for your skin.
Yeah.
What are the other kind of condoms?
Cotton.
yeah, paper cloth,
Yeah, all that. You know.
doodh ka theli, all of
Yeah,
that is.
all that.
yeah.
All that. It's all fair.
I'll order them.
Yeah, correct. What's the latest thing we've heard? Who you been hanging out with, man, Akash?
No one as of late.
No one? Okay.
Been a lonesome existence
Oh,
since
Manoj
I
Bajpayee has
won.
been ghosting you since he started talking to
No,
Sriram.
man. I think I just remember the old, the same Gauri Khan cocaine rumor.
Oh,
It's the
that's it.
old
Okay,
one.
that
Yeah,
though
yeah.
everyone knows. That
Yeah,
come
yeah,
on,
yeah.
guys.
That's pretty.
That's obvious.
That's ubiquitous, right? Yeah,
Man,
that's
okay, you told me this is crazy. Your parents went on a cruise recently.
Yeah.
Can you
Oh,
tell us
yeah.
more about this cruise?
Oh yeah, man! My parents always wanted to go on a cruise. They went on a cruise, and this is how they describe the cruise. It's like, तेरे को याद है जिसमें आर्यन खान पकड़ा गया था?
Same cruise.
Same cruise, man. Cordelio,
Same
yes,
room
man.
and shit.
Shout out.
No, no,
Same
same-
room. No,
no,
that
no.
was really expensive. My parents were like, give us the cheapest.
It'll be
room."
great if some drugs are still lying around. Like, wow, he really got a lot of drugs there. Even now, if you go
What
to the middle deck, then there is.
What if the cruise wants more publicity like that, you know? So they're just planting drugs in every room.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
no,
know,
no. They increased their prices after the whole incident.
Really?
They increase the price. They should
Yeah.
decrease.
No, it increased by 12K per room. That's what
Wow.
they've done, yeah.
Wow, dude.
What was the price before?
Some 30K for the cheapest room for 3 days. Now it's 42K.
So now it's 42K.
Motherfucker,
Wow.
dude. Are you guys big on cruises? Anyone in the audience here? Nobody's big on cruises? Okay.
What criminal site would
Yeah.
you guys visit if they hiked up the prices?
I mean, the Holocaust.
That is one obvious.
I'd visit it
Yeah.
if they hiked up the prices.
Hey, they have hiked up the prices at Taj and Leopold and all, right?
Yeah, that's also true. Yeah.
Okay, sure, that's true.
A1
That
Bakery
is true.
increased their
Yeah.
price after the Salman Khan incident as well.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Okay, wow.
I mean, I hope,
Nice.
I guess.
And black
pretty
bucks are more expensive
Black
to
bucks
eat
are
now.
more expensive
Black
to
bucks
eat
are
everywhere. Just
Also
economy is all over the place. Price increase everywhere.
All right, let's talk to some of our audience members. Hi, the three of you are together. What's your name, ma'am? Apurva. What do you do, Apurva?
I'm a content writer.
You're a content writer for drink.
Like the
It's a celebrity management company.
Oh,
You
cool.
must have tons of gossips. dude.
yeah.
Yeah.
Did you visit
Okay,
the
wait.
cruise that Akash's parents visited?
Yeah. Did you go to Cordelio? Yes.
What celebrities does your company manage?
TV celebrities.
Like all of them.
Influencers.
Hey, both of you work at. Is it?
We all three work
Oh wow!
Okay, what do you do there? You said content writing. What do you do there? And? Oh, cool.
Oh,
Same
nice.
team also. Oh, okay.
I love
I mean, wow!
introduce them to the show.
Wow!
I'm sorry, guys.
That's so sweet.
Shit.
So sweet.
Man. Poor thing.
I mean,
Hey, what's the biggest celebrity that you guys have met? All that is always like.
the good thing about meeting.
That's the biggest.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I mean,
yes.
come on.
I have
man.
done better, bro.
Yeah,
This is
dude.
it, yeah.
Who
See-
was the biggest you met?
Not Kapil. I met Kapil Sharma.
Hey, that's not bad, dude. That's pretty great. Yeah.
Now, baby, yeah, you know.
I mean, did you? I mean, maybe an unpopular opinion in
Hmm.
a room full of comedians, but his new Netflix show not terrible.
Yeah, he's
Pretty
funny in person also.
Huh?
Yeah, he's
yeah,
funny
he's,
in person.
he's funny,
yeah.
man. You got to give him that. I mean, like he gets a lot of hate from, especially from stand-up comics like Shriram and all.
Yeah.
Who are a little bit of like stand-up pure.
But I hate him for his parallel parking skills. Nothing to do with comedy.
And
You
his
know,
drunk driving
yeah, you know what the good thing about meeting Neil, Nitin, Mukesh is?
Yeah.
You meet 3 celebrities for the price of one. You know,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it is.
Neil, Nitin, and
You get Neil, Nitin, and Mukesh, all 3.
fun times.
It is very nice.
And Mukesh died, so you know it's only Neil and Nitin. now.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, correct.
smoking and all of that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man,
it's Neil
tough
Nitin
times.
only. Yeah, right now.
Tough, tough.
Yeah,
Things
yeah,
are- things are
yeah.
difficult.
Neil Armstrong also died, so it's just Nitin right
Oh,
now.
shit,
Yeah,
it's just Nitin.
yeah. So
Yeah. Nitin
yeah.
Mandal is still.
Yeah, Nitin is the only one there right now. Yeah, he's not his whole self these days. Neil Nitin Mukesh is what I feel. Yeah.
You remember the
Yeah.
time when at some award ceremony he got really pissed at Shah Rukh for making fun of his name?
Hmm.
It was Shah Rukh essentially made
Also
the same
another
joke.
3-named man.
Shah
That
Rukh and
game
Khan.
doesn't recognize game these days, man. It's just how it is. Yeah.
But basically Shah Rukh and Saif were hosting. I think it was Filmfare if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
should be.
Right?
Yeah.
And they made some joke about oh Neil Nitin Mukesh chalo khade ho jao, and then his guy stands up like he give him a mic on his hand starting the audience, and Shah Rukh is like पहले तो ये बताओ यार पहला नाम क्या है तुम्हारा, like Neil है कि Nitin है कि Mukesh है. Okay, and this guy dude gets pissed.
Yeah.
He got pissed at Shah Rukh Khan asking him the most banal question. He
Yeah.
says, okay, sorry, you want to say something?
No, I think it was staged.
It's possible it was staged.
I think you still
No.
believe in WWE.
But
that's
but
what I
Antriksh
thought.
was getting into the crux of it. Akash,
Yeah.
you'd have to like
I'm sorry,
point
man.
holes
So
in that at
basically,
that point.
his
I
Yeah.
was too excited about.
Yeah.
Immediately-
Continue.
Yeah,
Continue
it
with your
it
Kane
immediately-
versus.
the way why I feel it wasn't staged is because it immediately became awkward. Okay, you can tell, you can fucking cut the awkwardness with a knife. And he says in replying, saying, how can you guys say this? My dad is sitting right here. Now he should have asked. So which one is that? Is that
Yeah,
Mukesh?
exactly.
But he did. But that became like a whole thing, dude. And because of that, after that we started seeing Neil less in the industry. I think
For
he
just
actually
for that?
cooled off,
Just for that.
Wow.
Let's assume, no? Like,
Damn.
do you
I thought
see
it
him
was
much
just
nowadays?
his acting,
These guys are the
dude.
last people who've seen him.
It
Yeah.
was just his, I thought it
Yeah.
was just his acting, bro.
What?
Ah.
What was the end of that story?
The end of the story is he didn't get any work after that.
Oh.
That's the
What
end.
is his first? It'd be great if he says, "Oh, actually, my first name is Veerappan." You know, like just neither of those
I-
three.
well, alright, yeah, I chose-
What is his first name, guys? Neil is his
Neil
first name.
is his one. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. that's fair.
Will he work with now?
He does.
No,
But
like
not for
after this
long, man.
episode.
Not for long.
Does he get a lot of work? Neil
I
Nitin
think
Mukesh?
we'll leave him. No, I'm just joking.
No, he has.
No, you're not getting enough work, man, for
No,
us to
but
make profit.
what does
here.
he do now, if we may ask?
Trying,
No idea.
I mean,
Yeah.
still trying to be
Count
an actor,
till
I'm sure.
three,
dude.
I
It's
think
top
that's
secret. He works for Raw.
Okay,
right
let's
now.
let's turn things around a little bit. Let's give them something positive to go back
Okay,
home
okay,
with.
okay.
Yeah.
What's your favorite Neil Nitin Mukesh movie? Let's start. Let's go.
Yeah, Johnny Gaddar, he was. in,
Johnny
right?
Gaddar was
Yeah.
actually a pretty good movie.
I haven't
New York
seen
is
it.
quite
but-
nice.
Yeah, I haven't seen it, but
I've heard the best things about Prem Ratan Dhanpayo.
What?
Which
He's
I'm-
in that as well.
He's in that film.
Which I'm not. I'm being sarcastic there.
Oh, acha, okay.
It's
huh.
one of the worst movies ever made.
Because it has
apparently.
4 names in the movie. No, he doesn't. He's a strictly 3-name guy. Yeah. So it is, yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Also, were you guys working today? Post work, you guys came here. That is
We were working on a Saturday.
Saturday working. Come on, that's
No,
my.
it's
What the fuck?
Fuck you guys.
Yeah.
Wait a
On
minute. It's a
Saturday-
celeb management company. Do you
Seriously?
guys have work tomorrow
Yeah.
as well?
These guys, the things they were telling us before we started recording this
Yeah.
about your company.
I mean, yeah.
I mean, not cool, guys.
Yeah, stop with the lashes and all, okay, for exceeding lunch hours. What is
Yeah.
that about, guys?
Yeah, man. What the hell?
And salary on
Who
the
keeps a
7th
whip
of
at
each...
work anyway?
Huh?
Who keeps a whip at work
Exactly,
anyway?
that's
I
just
mean,
odd,
why?
you know? And salary on the 7th of each month. What the fuck, guys?
Wow, he gets it right.
Seriously?
What the
This
hell?
is a
guys?
celeb management.
I mean-
Are you guys working
No
tomorrow?
wonder the biggest celebrity you have is Neil Nitin
Yeah,
Mukesh.
exactly. You know? They probably list him down as managing 3 celebrities, you know? Our portfolio, we'll put a bulleted list. Number 1, Neil. Number 2, Nitin. 3, Mukesh. Yeah.
Okay.
Mukesh bracket expired, like no longer with us, you know, due to cigarette overdose. Yeah, just. Okay.
All right. Thank you, guys. You guys are awesome. Let's talk to these 2 people who just entered. Hi, guys. What's
You
up? What's
guys
your
look so out of place right now. You know what? In every house party, everyone's already
Yeah,
dancing, and then
that's
2
true.
people come in late, like, oh shit, what happened here?
name? What's
You
happening?
know, where everyone around them has done 8 lines of coke,
Yeah.
and
they're like,
yeah.
dude, we are completely sober. What's your name, man?
Hi, my name is Anil.
Hi, Anil.
Hi, Anil.
This is Akash.
Hey, I am Akash, buddy. These are my
Wait.
These are my friends, okay?
You guys know each other, obviously,
He
right?
got so nervous. He forgot
And
his
you guys,
friend's
I'm
name, dude.
assuming you guys are childhood friends because you didn't guess. Akshay's name is Akash. Huh, okay. Huh.
How long have you guys been friends for?
A year, 2 years now.
Yeah, I mean, great.
Okay,
friends,
Anil,
great.
be honest. What have you saved Akshay's name as the
Akash.
contact on your phone? They're like,
I got mixed with Akash.
fair.
Cool, dude,
Interchange
don't
it.
worry.
Yeah, we were fucking
It was just-
around.
Yeah, it was just hilarious.
Yeah.
And you guys work together?
No, he's a freelancer. Motion graphics freelancer.
Hey,
Motion
wow,
graphics
nice,
freelancer.
yeah.
Hey, cool, man. What do you think of this? He laughed first. Nice, dude. Very cool, man.
We didn't
What
pay
is
money
wrong
to any
with
freelancer.
someone carrying their
Their
baby in the middle?
Back and forth. Again,
back and forth again and again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Again.
Also, that person doesn't seem like they like their baby.
Yeah.
They're holding it like just, I might drop it at any point. You know, like,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's more like sad New York night
Yeah.
sky.
It sounds like that person looks like that's a kidnapped baby, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
There's no
Yeah.
way that's his own baby.
Could you get kidnapped baby in your motion graphics? Like I, yeah, you know, someone's typing throughout. That's obviously people working at because they
It's
are
a
never
Saturday
going
and
to
still
stop
there in the
working.
office.
Yeah,
Yeah, great.
and
Neil
yeah,
and Nitin.
Somewhere there.
Only explanation for this.
All right, cool, nice.
Okay,
There's no way.
yeah.
There's no way. All right, let's go, guys. You guys are welcome to the show. That Filmy Game Show.
Thank
We
you
have
for
new
having us,
setup.
Antriksh, yes.
We have new setups. It took me quite a while to get
Very-
this whole thing
yeah,
together. So
yeah.
hope you guys like
Yeah.
this setup thingy that we're doing.
yeah,
Uh,
love it.
The questions are going to be flashed up here. Some of
Oh.
them will be on cue cards, and some of them will be here. So it's a whole mix between.
Yep.
Some of the games you'll have to recognize the movies. Some of them you'll have to tell what song it is. You'll be playing various games based on Bollywood films and Bollywood songs. You guys are competing for something.
Oh.
A dildo? No. Oh shit. Huh.
Are competing. You guys are competing to be crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah. Okay, you will notice that there is not a cutout on this yet because I'm a little lazy. I bought this
That's
about
fine.
a week back.
It captures my face very well already. I would
Yeah,
say.
it does.
But
right?
there's no hair and all. This
Yeah.
hair is all.
I think there's some
That
certain
wouldn't
reflection.
fit.
That is, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is huge stakes.
Yep.
Huge stakes.
Yep.
Okay, fine.
What this
Always
title-
wanted my name on a
What
poster.
this title allows you is that you become the ultimate authority on matters of Bollywood. Should matters of Bollywood ever show up in your life ever again?
It's the
Say-
number one reason I fight with my parents. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Say-
like I can finally
yeah.
talk about Tapsi once I've won this.
Yeah,
right?
finally.
And
Say,
people
yeah,
will believe me.
Say
yes.
you guys are working for. Okay, and
Not likely, but go on.
Finally,
and,
dream
and
job.
you're in
yeah.
a conversation with Neil Nitin Mukesh, right?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
And you guys are talking about the greatest actors that have ever existed in Bollywood.
Which is odd because he is the greatest actor as
No, no,
well.
no.
So it's like, huh.
You don't talk to great actors about great actors, no.
Oh, okay, cool.
You talk to bad actors about.
Whoa.
I'm just joking.
Whoa,
I love
whoa.
Neil, dude.
Whoa.
Please come on the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
No chance.
Apar Shakti also, please visit.
So, what if Neil is of the opinion, yaar, I to think that I was wrong about Saif and Shah Rukh. I think they are the greatest actors who have ever existed in Bollywood.
And they deserve to ruin
Yeah.
my career. Is that?
Yeah,
Oh, huh,
yeah,
okay, huh.
yeah. What if he says that, right?
Yeah.
You guys are the biggest Bollywood bacha. Whoever wins, okay? You would be the ultimate authority. If you think that, fuck you, man, Salman Khan
Yeah.
was fucking awesome in Bajrangi Bhaijaan. He's the greatest actor Bollywood has ever produced. You guys would be right. Because you are
Yeah.
biggest Bollywood bacha
Yeah.
and Neil Nitin Mukesh isn't yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay?
Of
So
course.
you get it. Huge stakes, the biggest stakes.
Yeah.
Like I can tell Apar Shakti is good.
You can tell him.
Yeah.
You can talk to him.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can talk to him about great actors, not good actors.
Not good actors.
You know, step
That's
up.
for like biggest Bollywood mantri or
Wait a
something.
minute.
you know,
Don't
like
tell
one
the
level
Badshah
below.
what to do. But go.
Okay, fair. Cool. So let's just start with the games.
All right.
The first game is buzzer based. You guys have to make a unique sound with your mouth each time, a unique mouth sound each time, to be able to buzz in, and then whoever answers first gets to go.
Okay.
Whoever buzzes first gets to go first.
Okay.
All right. Let's start. Keep your buzzer ready. Can I hear what your buzzer sound would be?
Neil.
Come on.
Oh, damn. Fuck. What will my buzzer be?
It has to be either Nitin or Mukesh at this point.
Okay.
It has to be.
I'm going
Or
to go.
Patrick Harris. Hey.
Oh, hey, that's nice. Yeah. Joseph Gordon-Levitt. That's another one. Yeah. And we can do a bunch of. Yeah. So if you're doing Neil, then I'm going Joseph. Okay.
Joseph.
Yeah,
Neil and Joseph. Okay.
Neil and Joseph.
Neil and Joseph. All right, let's go. Also, there's some new rules. Okay. If at any point between the two of you, anyone does not get 3 consecutive questions ka answers, okay, consecutively, there is a Bollywood themed punishment. You might have to get up and do something on the stage.
Okay.
Some of the punishments can be thrown to us by the audience also.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so it can be like do this crazy dialogue in Amitabh Bachchan's voice, or whatever you want
Got
to
it.
be. Anything,
Sushant Singh
okay?
Rajput
Yeah,
impression.
act like Sushant Singh Rajput, and then you have to.
Finish that sentence. I
Alright.
dare you to finish that sentence.
Then you
Yeah.
have to be in Kedarnath, guys. You get it?
Yeah.
And also, say you guys, say the question starts with Shriram. He doesn't get it. Akash doesn't get it. Then it throws to the audience. The audience is one unit. As a
Okay.
unit, you guys are also playing along.
Okay.
Okay. So you guys also have point system for yourselves. So keep that in mind.
Yeah.
All right.
So they could be because Bollywood Bacha.
They can absolutely become. But
Oh,
yeah, you'll see.
I didn't
you'll
know
see.
we were competing.
It did
Now-
actually happen. It did actually
Uh-huh.
happen. It did happen that I was recording an episode with Govind and Hoshang.
Okay.
Okay, and Govind came first. Hoshang came third because the audience came second. The first game is called Bollywood in Jeopardy.
Okay.
How this works is I will read out the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film. You have to buzz in and tell me what the movie is.
Okay.
Uh,
Are we supposed to ask you a question?
Yes, it is Bollywood in Jeopardy. So the Jeopardy angle is you have to ask it as a question because some of these
Okay.
are very simple. It's a way to trip you, and it happens all the time where people forget to ask it as a question.
Got it.
And
Can I ask a
then lose the
question
point.
before?
Yes,
what were
please.
like some of the previous slides that you skipped?
Yeah,
quickly?
really.
It's
Why the
just-
bear?
So this is a bear slide.
Oh, like an empty,
empty
bear
slide. So I
Okay,
don't go to the
huh.
answer slide.
Got it.
You'll see
okay.
more of these.
Got it.
And this is just more intro
Welcoming
slides.
us.
You know?
Okay.
It's welcome.
Wow,
Shriram
I
Akash,
never
Shriram.
realized how big my name was.
Yeah,
It
man.
takes
Because
some,
of mine, dude.
Fuck
That's
yeah.
crazy.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Oh well. Chalo.
Fuck, this is
Chalo.
long.
Okay. And this is what you guys are.
Okay.
Stand-up comedians and writers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey, what do you guys think of the font selection and the?
Yeah, what do you guys
overall-
think? Yeah, bolo, bolo, bolo.
Yeah.
हाँ यार, बोल
Yeah,
रहा है.
Akshay, you would have a lot of input.
All right, let's go. Thank you.
ठीक है.
I'll take that, man. I'll
Yeah,
take that.
Cool.
Starting
You are
off,
the Apar Shakti of like fonts.
ठीक है.
That's what this font is also.
Keep your buzzers at the ready. The
All right.
first question
Yeah.
is as follows. Dash impersonates Dash. The person his love interest Dash is about to marry and attempts to woo her. However, he is
Neil.
unprepared. Okay, you'll go first. However, he is unprepared for the moment when the truth will be revealed. Yes, Akash.
Is it a film about a person impersonating himself?
You can just say the answer.
Yeah, you're supposed to say
Oh,
the
I
answer.
thought you
It's
were
not a
like-
No,
follow-up
answer the question, but say, is this
There's
Dil
not
Chahta Hai
dumb
or whatever you
charades
want
that we're
Oh,
playing.
like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
All right. Is it Rab ne bana di jodi?
It is not Abdul Majuri. Shriram, any guess at all?
Dash impersonates. Wow, English is gone. Dash, the person, his love interest, Dash, is about to marry and attempts to woo her. However, he's unprepared for the moment when the truth will be revealed.
Yep.
Is it DDLJ?
It is not DDLJ. You know what I could do is I can give you guys a little hint.
Yeah.
But let's throw the first one to the audience straight up.
Go for it.
Gajni.
It is not Ghazni. You can't keep guessing. It's one guess.
Wow, yeah.
It's one guess, guys. Relax.
Yeah. And
Can we
Apurva was
take
supposed to be the
other more
designated.
guesses?
Yeah.
Okay, so now
Yeah.
I'll give you guys a hint for half points.
Yeah.
This one can. The last one started with Akash. Oh, okay, again. So whoever buzzes for after
Yeah.
the hint. Okay. The hint is this movie has Saif Ali Khan in it. The second dash.
Joseph!
Okay.
Kal ho na ho.
No, it is not Karuna. The second dash is Saif. It's Saif's character.
Oh, it's Kalo now.
He just said. It's
And
not.
I-
He just said that.
how zoned out are you, Akash?
Yeah.
I don't
Like,
know,
okay,
man. I heard Joseph and I thought that was the name of a film.
Okay. It's neither of you get it. Anyone? Yes, sir.
Oh.
I think David should answer for everyone.
well done, Devish. Yeah, well done.
Well done, man. Well done. So that's. Sorry, I'll keep coins. So that's 0, 0, and 5 for audience.
5?
Fools.
Wow, 5. Okay.
Okay.
Must have, bhai, must
You
have.
know, Devish, until now you were smiling, but deep down you were plotting. I see it now. Yeah. I see it.
All right. Next up, buzzers are the ready again. Another best, right?
Yes.
Rana Taidirme, directed by Gautam Vasudev Menon.
Really?
Yeah.
Where did he go? Is he also represented by right now? Like, are all washed up people celebrities? Okay, yeah.
Wow, dude.
Gautam Vasudev. See, 3 name again. Like,
Three name,
see?
yeah, again. Wow,
that's
dude.
the theme of the night. It's just how it is.
The next one. Village teacher Dash feels betrayed and lost in the city. While venting his frustration in a graveyard, he meets Marco, the ghost of a man who
Neil.
was betrayed by his protege. Yes.
Chamatkar.
It is, but he didn't answer the question. Shriram, I'll let you steal.
I
You didn't hear what he said?
I heard car. I heard car.
Yes, Cars 3. That's the film, dude. Cars 3.
Tarzan the Wonder Car.
Is it? What? What did you say? What, is it Balatkar? What is it? Like, what? What is it?
No, it's not Balazkar. It does end with car, you're right.
Okay.
The word does end with car.
Okay.
Let's give you 2 more guesses of car words. Chalo. Let's just go ahead. Just because this is gonna be fun.
Is it Chamatkar?
It is Chamatkar!
It is?
Yes,
Wow.
yes,
Oh!
got it, dude.
Knew it, man. One of my favorite movies, I just tell you. What a movie, man. When that ghost meets another ghost, like that ghostception. Okay.
Another bear slide.
Oh, wow. Nice. You went from
Bears.
human human bears now.
Bears,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool.
It was Chamatkar, written by Rajiv Mehra.
Oh, Rajiv Mehra, 2 name.
Yes.
Not talent. Yeah.
Not great.
But Chamatkar Raji Meera.
Yeah. That.
Ah,
That's
okay.
a comma in the middle. But.
Chamatkar. Okay.
Released
I know
in-
this movie. It's that Nasiruddin Shah.
Naseeruddin
one.
Shah, Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. yeah.
Cricket involved.
Yeah,
in the
I
movie.
know.
There's cricket
more
in
of
it?
Cricket, yeah.
He-
Wow. It's
that-
Lagan plus Ghost. Is it like this?
yes.
Okay.
That's
nice.
basically what it is. Dude.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's like Koi Mil Gaya, but cricket, right?
Koi Mil Gaya, but
The
cricket
basket.
instead of
Yeah.
aliens.
Let's try to
Yeah,
compare Chamatkar with other movies plus something throughout. All right.
You know, it's like 3 Idiots. Instead of
yeah.
saying Balatkar, they
Yeah.
say Chamatkar.
It is Hollow Man plus Nasiruddin Shah. Right. I guess I don't know where I'm going with it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Hollow Man isn't a ghost. He's a live person who's just invisible.
Oh, my
Yeah.
bad. Okay.
Oh well. Anyway, next movie. Keep your buzzers. Okay, wait. I will just note this down.
Yeah, I got the points.
Does he
I'm-
get 5?
I'm back on the
He does
game,
get
guys.
5. He does get
Competing
5.
with you all.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Devesh, I'm looking at you. Yeah.
Okay,
Right,
okay,
yeah.
let's go. Buzzers at the ready yet again. Born in British India, Dash witnesses numerous atrocities during his childhood and grows up to become one of the most fearless freedom fighters in the country.
Neil.
Yes.
This could be any. Is it the legend of Bhagat Singh?
Absolutely, man. Wow, good one. It is.
But that could be any freedom fighter movie.
Man, I just guessed
it
the
has
first
to be the Google plot description of this particular film. You know what I
Wow. Write the
Thank
content
God I
for it.
didn't
Like,
say
what
the,
happened? Like, just copy pasted it.
Thank
like,
God I didn't fucking say the Bollywood.
I could have said Gandhi and it would be true.
mean? But not as per which movie ka Google
You
plot
know, there's
description.
Wow.
a Bobby Deol Bhagat Singh film also.
Which
Yeah,
could also
it's
be
called
true.
Shaheed.
Yeah, but it's not as good. So
Also,
it doesn't
you know,
put-
okay, fun
it
fact.
would.
Legend of Bhagat Singh and Shaheed, which is the Bobby Deol movie,
Released
both
on the
released
same day or something,
On the
no?
same day.
Yeah.
Released on the same
Yeah.
day.
Yeah.
And 1 week before them was Shaheed-e-Azam.
Okay.
which is I'm forgetting who, starring whom, but yes, another movie of the
Okay.
of Bhagat Singh only.
Okay.
But yeah, 3 movies in like.
This was
12
during
weeks.
Eid, right?
Wow.
Obviously. Yeah. Huh.
I don't know. It
Okay.
wasn't
Huh,
during-
cool. Just
Wow, which
checking.
Bhagat Singh is
Yeah, just
better?
checking,
You know?
yeah.
Yeah, that was actually a news
Thing for you. Okay.
article. No, it was quite a
Yeah.
thing then.
But
Okay.
I saw Shaheed and Legend both. Legend is better as a movie.
Okay.
But Shaheed has better songs.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
What is-
So
I just like Bobby Dil more.
so the ideal movie was one's filmmaking and the other's music.
They
Okay.
should have
yeah.
come together, you know,
Fair.
instead of making 2
Fair.
movies.
This, yeah.
Idiots.
Yeah, yeah.
These idiots.
It's just these
Alright.
factions in
Yes,
Bollywood,
I
right?
know,
Just
right.
ruining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the.
Oh,
next
wow.
best, right?
Oh, wow.
Who's that other man next to that bear?
Yeah,
That's
Red
the second bear. That's
Okay, okay. Papa
I've
Bear
said that
and
joke
Bear
again.
Grylls. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
You get it.
got it.
All right. Next. Buzzers at the ready yet again.
Points,
A
points.
cold-blooded killer with a vendetta charms a businessman's elder daughter and then kills her in a way that would make him.
Neil.
Okay, you'll go first.
Joseph.
He'll go first. But that would make it seem like a case of suicide. He then plots to destroy the rest of the family. Yes.
Is it Bazigar?
It is absolutely Bazigar, sir.
Wow.
Wow. People are
Guys,
excited.
Akash is
People are excited.
doing well. Are we going to let this be like defeating both of us, man? Come on.
But he's not.
Start distracting
He's
him
gotten
quickly.
one
Just
after long.
I got 20 points.
Yeah.
Last
Oh,
one,
wait.
this one.
How much
Hey,
you got?
Oh,
Why I forgot to add my
somebody's,
points.
somebody's
Come on.
competing now, isn't
yeah,
it?
hard,
Okay.
bro. This is
Okay,
this is
okay,
big
okay.
Fine,
Bollywood.
fine. Yeah.
And Bollywood is a competitive.
Why do you focus
place.
on your studies this much, Akash? If that's yeah, okay.
Okay. Next.
Bear, how is this?
Bear
Bare
feet.
feet? Okay.
Bare feet. Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
These are Bear
Send
Grylls'
that to
feet.
me, yeah.
oh
Yeah.
okay.
Um,
Abbas Mastan directed.
Police officer Narsimha's family is slaughtered by the dreaded gangster Babban. Agitated, he hires 2 convicts, Hirendra Dhan and Raj Ranade, to take revenge. I've kept the names in.
Joseph.
Yes.
Fuck. Is this Sholay? Ram Gopal
Yes!
Verma ki aag.
We got it!
Oh, wow. Thank you for making that face, Antrix.
Yes, yes.
Love
of
you.
course. I'm a very lenient judge.
Thank
man. I'm
you.
a very
Thank
lenient
you for
coach.
that. Yes.
Yes, absolutely. Very cool.
Wow.
Bro.
Okay.
So, you know, I left the names in because I assumed that nobody would get it. That's very cool that you got it. Very
Thank
nice.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Cool.
Again, guys, 3-worded director Ram Gopal Verma. So
Ram Gopal Verma, yeah.
Just giving it out. I mean, so much talent there for.
Oh, that's a overall hint. I
You know, he probably expected this movie to be the biggest hit in history.
Yeah.
Because how many people put their actual name before their movie?
Yeah.
It's
the,
called
yeah,
Ram Gopal Verma
yeah,
Ki Aag. It's
yeah,
not called Aag.
Yeah.
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 He was
Is it
expecting this called my magnum opus.
You're going in like, wait, is this Karan Johar ki aag? Like, no! Ram Gopal Verma ki aag, damn it.
Wow.
Like, just,
Yeah.
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 It is how it is,
that
yeah.
Ramesh
Steven
Sippy made
Spielberg's Schindler's
Yeah.
List,
Again.
you know, that would be
Yeah. Steven Spielberg ki aag. That's a
Yes,
nice
there
sort
you
of
go.
like
Yeah, nice,
movie out
nice.
there, yeah. Like, he thought he'll start a trend of other directors in their aag.
Yeah, that's
you know,
what he
like,
thought,
yeah.
dude.
You know,
But-
like, wow.
Sandeep Reddy
Yeah,
Vanga.
exactly, yeah.
Ka animal.
Another
Ka
3
animal.
named,
Yeah,
yeah.
3 named,
Sandeep
another
Reddy,
3
yeah.
names,
So,
yeah.
but
Yeah.
he thought like he'll go into parties like, hey man, Quentin Tarantino, when are you making your arc? I mean,
Yeah,
like,
yeah, correct.
It'll become catch on,
Yeah.
but didn't actually. Yeah.
Quentin Tarantino ki Inglorious Bastards. That's a good one. That's a good ring to it.
Yeah.
Okay, next we'll do a couple more in this and then move on to the next game. Okay,
Yeah.
we're good on time. Let's go.
Bare chested, that's why?
That's
No,
it's a
oh,
bear.
bear, bro.
It's a bear,
oh,
dude.
big brain move. Well done, well done, well done. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
All
nice.
right. After wrongfully getting detained, 6 men meet in a lockup. In a quest to seek revenge, they make the perfect plan of robbing the bank where all the police officers' salaries get deposited.
Neil,
Yes.
is it Kante?
It is Kate. Wow, yes. I did say Quentin Tarantino's name just before this.
Yeah,
I actually
forgot
thought,
that.
yeah,
I
actually
forgot
thought-
this movie was there today.
I actually thought it would be this.
It's still now Juvi's just trying really hard not to look at it.
Bear and.
Wow.
Okay.
Confidence, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Really. right?
That's a lot of hair, man.
I thought I will introduce another bear slide of fire another because this is
The newspaper
This too
also
good to not.
says man attacked by bear, by the way. That also, yeah.
all right. Next one and the last one in this game. Dash sets out on a secret mission to find the reason behind the death of Dash, his colleague. Terror strikes when he unfolds an even bigger conspiracy.
Neil.
Yes.
It is the movie with Neil Nitin Mukesh. Is it New York?
It is not New York.
Oh, it doesn't die. Fuck it.
No, dude.
Dash sets out on a secret mission to find the reason behind the death of his Dash, his colleague. Okay, sounds like Amit Shah's life, huh? Terror strikes when he unfolds an even bigger conspiracy.
Yes.
I have zero clue. what
Yeah,
this
man,
is.
so many colleagues die all the time.
Yeah.
Mine came to the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish
And he's
they
the only
died.
one alive, right? Like, yeah.
Are you wishing your colleagues were dead? Is that
No,
what-
man.
Yeah.
Who would come to the show?
Behind the death of Dash.
Any guess at all, Sriram?
Is it
Colleague.
Rocket
cares about their
Singh,
colleague?
Salesman of the Year?
Yes. No, it's not.
Okay, damn it.
Who cares about their colleagues this much?
Does anyone here have a guess? It is not Vikram Vedha. Coming back to a hint.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, hint time.
Again, Saif Ali Khan, dude. He's in the movie. The first Dash is Saif Ali Khan.
Joseph, is it Kurban?
No, it is not Kurban.
I thought Terror and Kurban will have some.
I
like,
have never
voodoo
seen
on it.
Saif Ali Khan
Fair,
work
fair.
in any film. So, him having a
As
colleague.
an employee, you've
Yeah,
seen him
yeah,
play a
yeah.
role
Saif
of
Ali
an
Khan,
employee.
another 3 name, by the way.
Yeah, another
I've
3
seen
name.
it.
Yeah.
Missed that, yes.
I think Humtum is not the film. What film?
Is this a difficult question, Antriksh, or do you feel it's a very obvious film?
Is it
So-
Cyrus?
No, it's
Cyrus.
not Cyrus. Brocha.
That's a movie, Cyrus.
Yeah, that's Cyrus is the movie. But
Oh,
not
Being
Cyrus.
Cyrus. That was the
Oh,
movie.
Being Cyrus, you're right.
Oh, yeah. Huh.
Yes.
Anyone audience? Oh,
Apurva.
Apurva.
Yes. Is it Phantom?
It is not Phantom. So
There's a
close.
movie called Phantom.
Nobody gets points there.
Hey, come on. Okay, all right.
Okay, so so nobody gets points there.
Antriksh, you
No.
give yourself points for this now.
Okay, cool.
There's a 4th person competing
Yeah,
now.
it has
It's
to be.
Antriksh. Just,
Like,
yeah.
Such a difficult question with such
Yeah.
an easy hint.
Yeah.
The movie is Agent Vinod. Yeah. Agent
Oh, Agent
Vinod.
Vinod.
Oh, Irfan Khan is the colleague. Right.
Okay.
Irfan Khan? Nahi, yaar.
कौन है colleague Agent Vinod?
He auditioned for the role though,
Oh,
Akash, if
अच्छा.
that helps, like, huh?
Agent Vinod, it's some rando, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, some random.
Yeah, rando.
Some Appa Shakti Khurana in the movie, man.
Or just
yeah.
Nitin, yeah.
Yeah.
Then died. Okay,
Okay.
that was the end of this game.
Oh, it's a
close-up.
zoomed
It's a
in photo of the
zoomed in
previous
or
one.
the-
Yeah,
previous
because to accentuate the bariness of the slide. you know?
Okay.
You get it?
Don't zoom in more though. I feel
Yeah.
like that's the most we
Also,
can bear.
directed by Sriram.
Oh, Sri
Raghavan.
Raghavan. Okay. Okay.
It's his only bad film.
No.
Okay.
It's a nice,
It's a nice
film, dude.
movie.
It's not as good as
I mean,
other
it's not.
Shriram
It's
Raghavan
not
films.
cerebral like how usually his movies are.
Shriram
Sure.
is, yeah.
It's like a more run of the mill action.
Yeah, my
spy
favorite
movie.
Shriram, by the way, just
In general.
What?
in
Oh,
general,
you take him over the Lord?
my favorite Shriram.
Shriram is
yeah.
this guy.
Yeah, this.
You take him over the God Sri Ram as well.
Yeah. Not the God is not his favorite. Raghavan is
Yeah,
his favorite.
that's odd.
That's third. I think.
yeah, I mean, okay.
God comes third, bro.
Fair. Fair.
Okay, fair man. That's the end of this game. Very cool,
hell.
guys. So now, where do we stand? Where do we stand with the scores? Is okay. We stand at Shriram at 10,
I'm at 10?
Akash at 10, and the audience at 5.
What? I gave like 3 right answers.
You gave 2, man.
That's 20.
No, 5, bro.
No, I didn't get any hint. I just gave it in the first go.
But 5, yeah. 5 is the default points you get.
Does he get negative points for disputing your?
Now he does.
Authority?
All right, then I
They're
thought
all
it was
5
like
points. 5 points are
leading
base
way.
points. There are some games which have 10 points base
3 I
points.
gave right.
You gave 2, bro. You want to go back and count? It'll fucking take forever. Okay.
Yeah, seriously, man.
What are you fucking?
All right.
How much is
man.
the
A
audience?
stickler for
at?
rules?
How much is the audience?
5. But they're right. They're either.
So 5.
10, 5.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Chalo. Next one, sirs, is the name game.
The name game.
All right.
Very fun. Very
Yeah.
simple. How this works is I will name a popular actor or actress. You have to give me names. You have to give me movies or songs of that actor or actress depending upon the question. If the question says give me songs of Amir Khan,
Okay,
you have
got
to give
it.
me one by one
Got
songs
it.
of Amir Khan. So like Shriram will
Got
say
it.
one, then Akash will say one, then the audience will say one,
Ah.
and then back to Shriram and back and forth. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
So again, you guys, usually these guys have 30 seconds to answer. You guys are like 6 of you. So you guys have like 10, 12 seconds to answer max, okay, each time.
Yeah.
So that's the only way it's kind of fair.
Also, weird classism though. I feel they paid money and come.
I mean, that's fine. It's just trying to make the show more fun. The name game. This one can start with Shriram and then move on to Akash and then the audience and
Thank
then
you.
circles. Sing me songs of Hrithik Roshan. Songs of Hrithik.
Ek Pal Ka Jeena. That's
Absolutely.
You are my Sonia.
You are my Sonia. Deva Shri Ganesha, Deva Shri Ganesha.
Man. That मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ? That
दिल क्यों मेरा शोर करे.
हैं?
दिल क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे. Yes.
Go on, audience. What?
Yes. ना मैं समझा. ना मैं
I thought
जाना.
Farhan Akhtar sang that.
All three of them sang that, and they're all in the song. No.
Really? They all sang the song as well.
Yep.
They thought, hey, if Farhan can sing, then we can also, right? Like that's
apparently, story goes they were tricked into coming to the studio to sing.
Okay.
That's how the story goes.
Sure.
Shankar Ehsaan Loy was like, were like, okay.
Shankar Ehsaan Loy again.
But three people. Those are actual three people.
Yeah, but yeah.
First time.
It is, yeah.
First time, man.
They desperately want to be Neil Nitin Mukesh.
Good lord. They are. I feel like if any of your colleagues ever watch this episode, you're never hearing the end of this. Poor things. Oh well. So what was I saying? Yeah, Shankar Ehsaan Loy apparently got them into the studio and said, "Okay, we just want like a practice take. We don't want this to be like the main take. Just so we get the sense, your body languages when you're singing
Yeah,
it. You know?
initially they had like, Pavarotti and
Yes, all that.
Michael Jackson.
Of course, they were all
and James
shortlisted.
Hetfield in it. And then,
But then
like,
then these guys sung, and they really, that was the intention. They're going to make them sing and trick them into singing, because otherwise they wouldn't openly sing, at least not Hrithik and Abhay. Because they don't have really singing voices, right? But then they took them, and then we had the song, man.
It'll be great if the original three singers acted on behalf of them as well. Like, it's Hrithik and this guy is singing, but
But we'll act.
Shankar Ehsaan Loy are acting in it. Like, be nice. Yeah.
Sure. Shriram, it's your turn.
Oh, fuck off.
Yeah,
Fuck, what has Hrithik Roshan done? I've seen Kaho Na Pyar Hai. So,
you said.
Kaho Na Pyar Hai. Yeah, sorry. Wow, what a dumb fucking yeah.
Do
yeah,
again, man.
Doom again. We gotta take that. Sorry? शेर खुल गए. हाँ.
शेर खुल गए.
Fighter का गाना.
शेर खुल गए.
शेर खुल गए.
Like a tiger opened up.
Yep.
Like it went to therapy and all. Like started to cry and like.
We went to an improv workshop, acting workshop. We really opened up.
Okay. Kaho Na Pyar Hai. What else is there? Na Tum Jano Na Hum. That's also there. Yeah.
आओ सुनाओ प्यार की एक कहानी.
Yes. फूल और
Hey, don't take my stuff, man. I had
Kaho Na
one
Pyar Hai
thing
was his
going for
movie,
me,
bro.
yaar. Oh man. One more
There's
song.
still a couple of songs in that movie, if you want to stick to that.
Yeah, I have no other option right now.
Okay.
What's that thing in the end he dances?
Yep.
Sitaro ki mehfil. That's the one. Yeah. Where he wears a glove. He wears gloves in that song, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, they're custom made.
Yeah, so he wears 6-finger gloves. Yeah, they had to get a 6-finger glove. Yeah.
Yeah.
एक पल का जीना.
I already said
You
that.
said it,
Akash, is that
yeah.
elimination for Akash?
Yeah,
No.
quick. No. Quick. One more. Quick.
Oh, you said.
Because was the very first one he said. Yeah.
Yeah. Because it has ache in it, the number.
What are other Dhoom songs?
15 seconds you have.
I am Krish. Yeah.
I am Krish.
Some
That's
Krish
a,
comes in.
man.
Krish.
Yeah.
Oh, come on,
That'd
man.
be
There has
great.
to be a
If
Krish
they had,
song.
if they had Krish songs like other like biological, like biographical songs,
Yeah.
like Mera rang de Krish wala. I don't know where.
मुझको पहचान
मैं
लो,
हूँ Krish.
मैं हूँ Krish.
I think it's
Ding, 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 ding,
what's a new?
What's it?
Okay, you're
मुझसे
done,
दोस्ती
you're done.
करोगे?
What's the song in it?
There's no
कह
time.
दो कि तुम मुझसे दोस्ती That's a song, man. Hrithik Roshan, Rani
The song?
Mukherjee, and
Okay.
Kareena Kapoor.
I know the movie.
Yeah,
Cool.
that's a
ठीक है.
song.
I don't know the
Kal
song at all.
Parso
It's a
Fir
bad movie.
Yeah.
If there's
But
one song that indicates Akash is in the bottom barrel of his Hrithik Roshan
Yeah.
songs.
Let's see what happens in the next round
Yeah.
for Akash.
Bang, bang.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Bang, bang.
Is there anything left from Kaho Na Pyar Hai?
Yep. There is.
Wait, I've also seen Laksh. So
Oh, lucky.
Laksh, the title song
Yeah,
of
correct,
Laksh.
correct,
Yeah, there you go. What happened
The
to Mujhse
first
Dosti
song from
Karoge songs,
Laksh, dude.
Akash?
The
Huh?
first song from Laksh.
Is Laksh?
No, मैं ऐसा क्यों
I already
हूँ?
said that.
What is it?
Yeah. Just tap that again.
Just stick to your Mujhse Dosti Karoge, man. Just,
Yeah.
15
what
seconds
are
more.
other songs are there? Bad Hrithik Roshan films.
yeah.
10
What are other Laksh
seconds.
songs, man?
Nothing. It's a 2-song movie. Very ahead of its time, I feel. Akash.
5 seconds.
अगर
more.
मैं कहूँ मुझे तुमसे
Yes,
मोहब्बत है मेरी
absolutely.
बस ये चीज़
Well
That's
done.
third Laksh song.
Well done.
Okay,
We'll do one more. It's gone on for a while.
Yeah.
One more. One last. तू मेरी री मैं तेरा रा होने लगा.
Hey, he does that song where he dances. Fuck, he dances and everything. Fuck, what a unspecific. Laksh has कंधों से मिलते हैं. That's
Yeah, that's
thank you.
absolutely correct. Absolutely, yes, sir. Last. Absolutely last.
दिल ना मिला
दिल
ना दिया तो बोलो ना बोलो क्या किया.
Okay, cool. Everyone gets points.
That's an
now.
actual song.
Yeah, from Krish.
So no one gets points. No, like everyone
Everyone
gets
gets
points.
points.
Okay,
Everyone.
cool. Everyone
My
gets
God,
points.
thanks
Alright.
for dumb films
Good.
that Hrithik Roshan did.
We found our level, you know. Hrithik Roshan songs are our level where we are at, you know.
Cool.
Yeah.
That was cool.
That was very good.
Next is give me movies of Kangana Ranaut because Hrithik and Kangana always go hand in hand,
Fair,
right?
yeah.
Movies of Kangana Ranaut.
Who starts?
Akash can start.
Gangster.
Yes.
I have to go?
Yeah.
Queen.
Queen. Audience. Yep.
Kites.
चलो ठीक है.
Yeah.
Wait, is there a Tanu Weds Manu 2?
Yes, it's
Thank
called
you.
Return.
Is there a
but
Krish
fair.
too?
No, wait.
Their turn?
Next, after Shriram is there, huh?
Manikarnika.
Manikarnika, yes.
Krish 2.
Yes.
I can do Tanu Weds Manu
Yes.
2? Thank you.
No, you already did.
Oh, okay.
Now next.
My
movie,
turn.
Another movie.
Damn it. Rangoon. She was in Rangoon.
She was in Rangoon. Wow,
Yeah.
nice. We talked about Rangoon yesterday also. What were the odds?
Really?
Yeah. Hey man. Guys, anyone? Yes, absolutely.
That's I've seen a very nice movie, very nice soundtrack as well, actually.
Okay.
Shakalaka Boom Boom.
That's a TV show.
That's a film in which there's Bobby Deol, Upen Patel, Kangana Ranaut, one more woman. I think it's Selena Jetli.
Okay, can someone just look this up? Just double check. But I'll give you
Please
that.
do.
Wow.
I remember the film, dude.
Shriram.
Wow.
I went to watch it.
You're just making up films now, is it?
Yes,
That's how-
Come on.
Like,
Yeah. It
you're-
has the song.
You're acting like the.
Oh, wait a minute. Bobby Deol plays, Upen Patel plays Mozart in the film.
What?
Okay.
The Mozart.
Yeah, the Mozart.
Okay.
Yeah, and Bolly and yeah, and
You know
Bobby
what
Deol
this
plays.
sounds like? Akash is, in a typical shady Warsaw producer's fever dream. Like, I imagine Akash in, in his underwear, sitting on a couch, having like whiskey with his stomach out, like,
Hey, Selena. Hey, Selena.
Bobby Deol, like, Upen Patel, Upen Mozart, like,
Bobby
Shriram.
Deol plays
Quick.
Mozart. No, Upen Patel plays Mozart. Yeah, that
Quick,
was-
Shriram.
fuck. Kangana Ranaut. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
I have. Hey, she did some Indira Gandhi biopic, no?
Yeah, she did.
What, that's what it's called, Indira Gandhi
No, it's not
biopic? Damn it. Her propaganda movie phase is right now happening, and I know there's some in there.
You have about 12
The
seconds.
Emergency, that's what it's called.
It's not.
Emergency.
called- Okay, emergency. Cool. Guys, what is it? Queen. Someone said Queen. Okay, cool.
Queen, I already said, man. Come on.
You said Queen?
Yeah,
Okay.
first movie.
Shura Badala. Yes, correct.
She's in
Wo
Shootout at
Lamhe.
Badala.
Huh?
वो लम्हे.
वो लम्हे यहाँ correct.
That's a
है.
shiny was a film.
Yeah. Yeah, correct. क्या मुझे प्यार है?
Can we shift to Kangana Ranaut songs now? Nicer.
There are a few more that I can think of.
Hey, is she there in that, New York as well?
No, she's not. That's Katrina.
No, there's one of those fucking. I know this film, man. It starts with F.
About 12 seconds more, I'll give you.
Fuck. That's all the movie.
About 5 seconds more.
I want to say.
And you're
Damn
done.
it.
Fashion
cool.
it is, bro. Fashion, you're
yes,
missing fashion.
Also,
Yeah,
judgmental है
fashion.
क्या? कट्टी बट्टी.
ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता भाई. Sorry.
उंगली, yes, correct. Absolutely.
Sorry, ये किसी और अच्छे वर्षों प्रोड्यूसर को पता हो.
So,
Yeah. Krish 2.
है ना?
Krish 2
Oh,
है ना?
Krish 3, you're right.
Oh, 3 was there. Wow.
Right.
Oh, I meant 2, 3. It's
Yeah. But so
it's
Kri-
called.
they skipped 2 in the numbering
Huh?
and just went to Krish 3. So it was Koi Mil Gaya, Krish 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
very.
It'll be weird if they fit in like a random Hrithik movie in between and went to Krish 5. You know, like Krish 4 is actually.
Lakshya was
Yeah,
actually
Lakshya is
Krish
Krish
2,
4,
yeah.
yeah. And
Yeah,
then
correct.
we have Krish 5.
All right.
No?
Cool. So both the audience and Akash get points there. Shriram gets 0.
You have to rub it in on section. Okay.
The last
both
one
of them.
is now there's an advanced part. This to the name game. There's an advanced part of the name game, which is situation based.
Okay.
This is for 10 points. Okay?
Whoa.
Okay, wow, finally.
So this one can start with Shriram. Then
Yeah.
moving on to Akash.
Okay.
The question is, give me songs that mention Divana or Diwani. Very simple. Songs that mention the word Divana or Diwani.
Exact or like a.
Divano.
Cool,
You know all that.
ठीक है,
Yeah,
ठीक है,
yeah.
ठीक है.
Shriram.
Oh, I know this song. It's a weird because when I heard that line, it felt very weird. It is "हाँ मेरा दीवानापन कुछ काम तो आया."
Which song is this? Can you sing
From
it?
the movie, I think Divanapan. Actual song. I
Okay.
swear.
Okay.
I'm
No,
not
I
going
got you.
Versova producer on you guys. There's an actual
I
legit
will,
thing.
I will, yeah.
Okay. Fair. Shoot.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
Absolutely. I need songs.
Songs, yeah. Not everything is मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे
yeah.
आकाश like okay.
I need songs that have the word Divana, not movie titles.
Oh, that's not a song.
I don't think मुझसे दोस्ती करोगी is it a song?
No, मैं प्रेम
मैं
की
प्रेम की दीवानी
दीवानी
हूँ is a
yeah.
song? मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ is a song? मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ
Not exact, but Prem Ki Diwani is a song.
in the movie?
Yeah, let me.
But sing it Akash if you know the song then.
मैं
Apurva is so
प्रेम
sweet,
की
she's cross-verifying
दीवानी
everything.
हूँ।
I mean we could sit here and cross-verify all the
This
fake
is
news but we
दीवाना
are like no.
मस्ताना
you know,
मैं
like-
दीवाना मस्ताना. I don't know.
मैं दीवाना is a Ganesh Hegde song.
Oh yeah, so that.
That
goes-
doesn't matter.
Why? No.
There's no song.
No, there's no song.
There's no. अरे why can't I use the Ganesh Hegde? मैं
See,
दीवाना.
no, but that's not a movie. It has to be a
Would you be
movie.
proud of
No.
it though?
Not.
Also, you have to know the song, huh? You
Yeah.
can't just
Okay,
make up.
okay,
Can't
okay.
just
But
make
go ahead,
up
go
a
ahead.
song
Go ahead.
like you made up that Upen Patel movie.
I'll give you 10 more seconds. Quickly. I think that's a lot of songs, man.
Lord, Divana, it's such a common word.
दीवाने हुए पागल.
That's another movie.
Movie,
man.
yeah.
It's not a song
Amar-
in the movie.
Yeah.
Divana
What's to
Mein-
sing it? You have to sing
Divana
it though.
Is a song in the movie.
But you have to sing
it's
it,
like
right? You
One
have
of the
to sing
credits,
it.
right?
Can you sing it?
दीवाने हुए पागल. Yeah. No. that's not-
Very close. The yeah wasn't there in it. Yeah. Yeah.
Nothing. You get no point.
दीवाना मस्ताना.
I get points. That was so.
Both,
Come on,
both Shriram and
Name
song.
more दीवाना songs.
There is a Divana मैं चला.
Yeah, that's one.
Oh yeah.
ढूंढने.
Yeah.
I don't know the
There is
movie
a-
though.
Yeah.
There are quite a few, man.
There were
So
two
many. When I was
answers for
counting.
this award.
No, there are a lot of Divana songs, dude. ये दिल दीवाना.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What does Divana mean actually?
Huh? Divana means pagal about something in particular.
Obsessed, is it?
Upset- like, in a way,
Passionate,
yeah.
I think.
Yeah, but like, it's more like loving types,
Yeah.
you know?
Passionate,
not like stalkery, not
passion
stalkery.
in love.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, cool.
I'm your divana.
So when he says ye dil divana, the heart is a stalker.
The heart is a fan.
It's a fan. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
okay, cool.
Okay.
Got it.
Fair. If it works. All right, cool. So where we stand at the end of this game, game number 2.
Oh, now
is-
now I no songs.
1 second. And 20.
Heated.
Okay, wow. Everyone's a 20, guys.
Whoa!
Wow. Well done.
Well done, guys. Well done.
Well done. Very well done. Cool. Game number 3 is my absolute favorite game. It's
Hey, I
called
love this game, yeah.
Versus.
So good.
How this works is...
It fucks with your head so much.
It does. It absolutely does. I will read out the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song. Why second verse? Because the second verse is the least heard part of any song.
Yep.
You will end up skipping the song after the
Yep.
first verse yourself.
Yep.
On radio, they will very often skip the second verse. No DJ has ever heard the second verse in his life.
Yeah.
So you're never listening to that. All right. So
Abhay Deol got the second verse in that song, like, because no one's going to listen to it. Yeah.
okay, cool. So versus.
Yeah.
This is again a buzzer round. So
Okay.
versus are ready.
Okay.
Now.
Let me
So
check if my
say-
buzzer's working. Joseph, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
goes on, yeah.
Neil. Okay.
Okay, cool. Well done. So say I say the lyrics of the first song, right? Shriram doesn't get it. Akash doesn't get it. It would normally have gone to the audience at this point, but no, it won't for this game. It'll go to the audience only for the half point.
Okay.
for
Okay.
after the singing, because
Okay.
otherwise the audience, I'm pretty sure, will get it. You know, it's like,
Hey, also, I realized no one got 3 incorrect consecutively. So no one did something. Yeah.
oh shit,
Damn
no
it.
one did
That
get.
is just.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, you're right.
I thought that'd be the fun of the show as well. That's
Shit, the audience did get once.
Oh, all right. Collectively, you all
but
will
the
dance
audience,
round.
But the audience doesn't count there.
Hey, man.
It never went to them, you know, because you guys answered before that only. All right,
Thank
that's
you.
fine.
All right, audiences.
You're welcome.
Until now, we're competing, but we saved you from dancing to Kajrare on stage. Yeah.
All right, cool.
So-
The first song,
Hmm.
ka second verse ka lyrics are as follows. Leherom.
Yeah, you almost sang it.
Yes, yes.
You almost sang it. Lehero. Okay.
लहरों में जैसे लहरें मिले ऐसे मिल गई दिलों की धड़कन चलते ही चलते राह में खोए
नील।
खोए हैं हाँ बोलो
लगन लगी तुमसे.
no
it's-
that. So now you can't answer.
Okay.
Shriram
Yeah.
still is
For the rest of the game, you can't answer.
right,
I
for
guess,
this.
yes.
Okay, so I'll read that again. लहरों में जैसे लहरें मिले ऐसे मिल गई दिलों की धड़कन चलते ही चलते राह में खोए खोए हैं दोनों तन मन हम पास आए तो क्यों पास आए सोचो तो बात है ज़रा सी कुछ तुम भी प्यासे प्यासे थे कब से मैं भी थी प्यासी प्यासी
I feel, I don't know the song, but I know that Javed Akhtar has written it. Because he does all these like sort of, you know, basic similes, you know, like, हम ऐसे गए जैसे वैसे हुआ. You know, like,
You know, you are absolutely right. It
Yeah?
is Javed Akhtar. Wow. Yeah, lyrics.
like, मैं guess करने लगा जैसे.
जैसे खुलता गुलाब जैसे फायर
Yeah.
का ख्वाब
Yeah.
जैसे
He's like, not everything has to be like something else, Javed ji. Just, you know,
anything
like how you are not Gulzar. You know?
you are not like Gulzar okay
गुलजार जैसे.
जैसे हो आप
I have no clue.
okay
I have no
I'll
clue.
read it one last time before going into the half लहरों में जैसे लहरें मिले ऐसे मिल गई दिलों की धड़कन चलते ही चलते राह में खोए खोए हैं दोनों तन मन हम पास आए तो क्यों पास आए सोचो तो बात है ज़रा सी कुछ तुम भी प्यासे प्यासे थे कब से मैं भी थी प्यासी प्यासी
Sorry, another reason why Javed has written it is because he's the only guy who tries to describe sex as though it's not some
Pyasa,
dirty
pyasa.
act. You know,
Pyasa.
lehron mein the tanban, you know, like whatever. Like just say you were horny, man. Like one line, that's it. Just get
That's
over
exactly
it.
right.
Horny quite often.
exactly right
Yeah.
okay so no guesses from you guys what I will
Is
do is
it Neil चलते चलते?
it is not so half for half now okay I will half sing each of these lines for
Okay.
half the points
Okay.
so now you can win 2.5 points
Yeah.
but I'm gonna half sing each of these lines okay my singing is terrible and this one is a difficult verse to get through so bear
Oh,
with me.
go for it.
Okay.
Chal your inner Abediol, yeah.
okay
The singer that is, yeah.
okay let's go लहरों में जैसे लहरें मिले ऐसे मिल गई दिलों की धड़कन चलते ही चलते राह में खोए खोए हैं दोनों तन मन हम पास आए तो क्यों पास आए सोचो तो बात है ज़रा सी कुछ तुम भी प्यासे प्यासे थे कब से मैं भी थी प्यासी प्यासी
क्या upbeat sex है bro?
These guys got it. I know these guys got it for
It's so
sure.
upbeat
One sec.
for sex.
Apurva
Anything
knows it.
you guys have? Do you guys have anything?
Is it
For 1.25.
is it that song you know Roja Jan no okay no it's not nah, cool
Do you have an actual guess?
no
Okay, cool.
Apurva knows it say it Apurva go for it
Are you
She has a Google.
are you googling it? Oh, okay, cool. Don't Google. But yeah, what is it?
It is. I don't know the word, but I know what is the line after.
Okay, say it.
say it
Dil mein na.
Bol utha. The song is she's right. I'll give you 2.5. No worries.
Okay.
But the song is पहली बार तुमको मैंने जब देखा था दिल धड़कने दो. Yeah.
Sorry. I
Dil
think that
Dhadakne
went to a
Do.
different verse of our producer.
Dil Dhadak hey Dil Dhadak that's the song no
Hey, धड़कने दो.
oh I have
No
clue.
idea.
I have
No
no
clue.
clue
Sorry.
Zindagi na milegi.
I thought that's
Oh.
that's a scam. No, hey, this movie had this lyric, so next movie
Next
will
movie
have
gonna
this
be- yeah,
title. No,
correct,
like just like yeah.
Yeah. Oh
Yeah.
shit, we didn't use Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara songs in the Hrithik Roshan song.
Okay, cool. Next
Cool.
one.
Okay,
Buzzers at the ready yet again.
cool.
Okay, great. खो गया मैं ख्यालों में अब नींद नहीं है आंखों में.
Neil.
Yes.
खो गया मैं ख्यालों में अब नींद नहीं मेरी आंखों में.
You just sang what he said.
It's a RHTDM.
That's the movie. Yes.
सच कह रहा है.
No, that's wrong. You're wrong.
No,
You
that's
can't
not
guess.
the song.
You can't guess further. You can't
How
guess.
can I be half
You
right?
can't guess further till the hint now. Okay. खो गया मैं ख्यालों में अब नींद नहीं है
Joseph.
आंखों में. Yes.
दिल को तुमसे
तुमसे प्यार हुआ.
Thank you for RHTDM. Thank you, Akash.
पहली
Well
बार
done.
हुआ. Yeah.
Thank you.
खो गया मैं ख्यालों
You are my
में,
second favorite
अब
Sriram
नींद
after all.
नहीं.
Notice no similes in this song, you know, or metaphorical sex talk,
This
you know.
remind me,
so
who got the last one? I forgot to note that down.
no one got the last one.
Apurva for
Apurva
2.5.
got
got, yeah.
Audience got the last one.
2.5.
Yeah. Correct. That's fair. Yeah? So now this one, Shriram gets full 5.
I thought it was worth 80 points. No, no, okay, no.
No, not yet. Okay, cool. Done. Let's go. Next one. Buzzers at the ready. The second verse of this third song are as follows. आंखों में गर सपना नया आंसू तेरा एक मोती है बना सूनी डगर पे जैसे सोई ये छाव है सुहानी. That's it. I'll read that again. आंखों में गैर सपना नया आंसू तेरा एक मोती है बना सूनी डगर पे जैसे सोई ये छाव हो सुहानी.
You know what I've realized? I have no idea. Again.
That's what you realize.
Yeah, but through these, the way you sort of, the round, when you don't know the song, no, you just start to word associate all your friends who are named after those lyric words. You know, like, oh, I know Suhani. How is she these days? You know, like,
Sapna.
yeah, Sapna is, yeah, hey, Sapna and I haven't got in touch in a while. Yeah, I mean,
It's a lot of friends.
yeah. Not all of them, but you know, like that's how you start to figure it. Yeah.
Yeah, so no hint.
Aankhon
no
mein,
guess.
I heard a dagger as well. Like there's a dagger in the song.
आंखों में गैर
Gair.
yeah, सपना नया
Someone else's
सपना नया
dream is
Yeah.
okay. Oh, okay.
आंखों में गैर सपना नया आंसू तेरा एक मोती है बना सूनी डगर पे जैसे सोई ये छाव हो सुहानी.
Joseph.
Yes.
If he's dreaming someone else's, then is it a song from the movie Gajni because he
It
loses
is-
his memory in it? No. Okay.
Unfortunately, it's not. Any guess at all?
They're not writing songs for the character these days, are they? It's just okay. Huh?
I get glug like I reminded of a nice poetry mic.
Okay. So no guess. I
Yeah,
guess.
it's not a song.
Okay, going half for half. All right. Half for half is
Do you guys know this already?
Thank God.
okay. Cool. Take it. Again, bear with me. आँखों में गैर सपना नया आंसू तेरा एक मोती है बना सूनी डगर पे जैसे सोई ये छाँव हो सुहानी. Come on, man.
Neil.
Yes.
कैसी है ये मेरी कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी.
Oh,
Yeah.
good title song actually. Good tracks in that
Yeah.
movie.
I
Yeah.
love this movie.
What film is this?
So that's-
Paheli. No,
Paheli.
Parinita.
Sorry, 2.5.
Parinita, no.
Parinita,
Parinita,
bro.
Parinita.
Talash is where she dies. That's
What?
yeah.
Who are there similar actors in both?
No, not at all.
Okay.
Not just she dies. That's
Okay, this
You
one.
got the pirated DVD, man. That's why you know,
Okay,
like.
so
yeah.
this one is a retro song. Okay, like
I've already given up. Huh?
like 70s, 80s types.
Yeah.
Okay.
right.
So let's see if you guys get this, but because it's very fucking popular.
70s,
But let's see.
80s. Okay.
Okay.
Very
So let's see. Let's all try. Because I'm trying to broaden, you know, to get
Yeah,
the parents in.
yeah.
Get your
Yeah.
parents next time, guys.
TG, we need to broaden the.
Yeah.
TG.
So, ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay. हो रास्ता नहीं आसान देना पड़ता है इम्तिहान ये है दिल की लगी ये नहीं दिल लगी आते हैं कई तूफान. Then it repeats. हो रास्ता नहीं आसान देना पड़ता है इम्तिहान ये है दिल की लगी ये नहीं दिल लगी आते हैं कई तूफान.
This is a retro song.
This is it's old.
Yeah. It is. It's about the Hurricane Katrina, if you notice, with the tufan and stuff.
That was like 90s. That's not retro.
No, okay, cool. For
Retro
Gen
is
Z, it is.
1970s, right?
For Gen Z, it is.
Yeah,
retro.
yeah, it's like 70s.
60s,
70s.
70s,
I think
okay.
it's too.
I'll.
78.
Can I speak for everyone? Say we've all given up Antriksh, so please sing it.
Okay, none of you have
Yeah.
gotten it? Alright, cool.
Oh,
Take it.
nice.
Let's see.
In fairness, we weren't,
okay.
you know,
Oh,
even a
okay,
concept.
I'm gonna sing it, okay? ओ रास्ता नहीं आसान देना पड़ता है इम्तिहान ये है दिल no sorry I'll just do that the whole thing again that's terrible okay
Too
ओ रास्ता नहीं आसान देना पड़ता है इम्तिहान ये है दिल की लगी ये नहीं दिल लगी आते हैं कई तूफान ओ रास्ता नहीं आसान देना पड़ता है इम्तिहान ये है दिल की लगी ये नहीं दिल लगी आते हैं कई तूफान
Joseph,
nobody gonna get it, हाँ
is it Echoes by Pink Floyd?
yes that's the one
Cool.
anything Akash I
I
think I did a terrible job with that one it's not gonna
That's fine.
it's not gonna work but go ahead
It's not you, Antriksh. It's the music director who composed it badly. You know?
No.
no nothing anyone here at all okay
This is.
huh you've heard it all right okay
Right now, like,
I did a
Right
terrible
now,
job
we
singing
heard.
it.
We all heard it.
that's
Right?
the
Don't worry
first
about
time
it.
I
Yeah.
heard this
Don't worry
song.
about that.
Maybe there's
You've heard the
Antriksh's.
song. You've
It's
definitely
too
heard the song.
retro.
Yeah. Maybe there's Antriksh's Versua producer.
So now what I'm-
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think he's a music.
Yeah. If you go to Google, it's like music by Antriksh Thakkar. You know?
All right. Next, what I will do is I will read the. Anyone can answer. Audience भी आंसर कर सकती है. तुम दोनों भी आंसर कर सकते हो.
Okay.
ठीक है. जो वो
Yeah.
answer. I will sing the very next line till the name of the songish.
Okay.
You get what I mean, okay? So I'm gonna sing the next line is जो डूब के फिर उभरते हैं.
No, no, no. Okay,
Yeah.
Joseph.
Yes.
Shan, just जीते हैं हम शान
Shan से. Yeah, that's the song. Yeah.
Okay.
What's the name of the song? If you can give me, it's. Na 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 na
Shan.
Yeah, it's called प्यार करने वाले. I'll give Shriram. I'll give
Thank
Shriram
you.
1 point. I'll give
Thank you.
Shriram.
I mean,
Oh, audience is great with applause.
yeah, very sweet, yeah.
This is very
Very
sweet.
sweet.
Beautiful,
It's-
guys.
I mean,
Very cool.
it's just, I once topped like, you know, an examination and get applause. It's just nice. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh, this one's great.
All right. What
This
is
one
it?
is.
Is it 1940s now?
This is again 2000s. 2000s. Okay.
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 Buzzers, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. आजा तुझे बतला दूं कि ये दुनिया कैसे झुकती है. आजा तुझे बतला दूं कि ये दुनिया कैसे झुकती है. मेरी तरह हो जिगरा तेरा. सॉरी. मेरी तरह हो जिगरा तो ये दुनिया तुझसे डरती है. आंधी तूफान जो मुझसे टकराए. आंधी तूफान जो मुझसे टकराए. अरे मेरे आगे कोई टिक ना पाए.
Joseph,
Yes.
is it Animals by Pink Floyd?
It's actually
Very close?
another brick in the wall.
Damn it, I was so close. Shit.
Okay, I'll read that again. आजा तुझे बतला दूं कि ये दुनिया कैसे झुकती है. आजा तुझे बतला दूं कि ये दुनिया कैसे झुकती है. मेरी तरह हो जिगरा तेरा. सॉरी. जिगरा तो ये दुनिया तुझसे डरती है. आंधी तूफान जो मुझसे टकराए. अरे मेरे आगे कोई टिक ना पाए.
Neil, is it na 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 na? Is it that song?
I know a lot of lyricists use that though. They just go na 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 na. Very good guess though.
Yeah,
I must say, yeah.
I think na is.
Yeah, na 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 na. re,
Yeah,
na, re, na,
yeah.
correct.
I wonder
That's
if they actually go on their Word doc and if you see it like after that, there's na 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 na. Is this written? You know? Yeah. That was just direct copy paste. You're like, it's just tunak tun, Control C, Control V, and we'll just keep.
Man, you were on this episode with me of Cyrus Says,
Yeah.
Cyrus Boza's podcast, where he was describing the Dilair Mehndi story. Do you
Oh
remember?
yeah! What
This
a
is
story!
The
What
best
a story
ever. Okay.
What a
so
story!
Cyrus tells the story of doing concerts with Dilair Mehndi back in the day, when during his MTV peak MTV
Yeah.
days, right? So there had this thing Cyrus has done with his whatever part
Yeah.
of the hosting and all, and now Dilair Mehdi's entry is supposed to happen. Dilair Mehdi's entry is supposed to happen from up. You know how they
He's doing a
store to the
hydraulic,
crowd?
like, lowered down, right?
Yeah,
So,
so like
yeah.
he's coming from amongst the crowd up there, and then he's supposed to be lowered onto this thing. And while he's singing up there, while he's like coming, he's supposed to be going tunak tunak
Yeah.
tunak 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 tunak
Yeah.
tunak tunak, and then when he comes down, it's supposed to go lutanana
Yeah.
tunak, and then tunak
Yeah.
tunak tunak tunak, like that's how it's supposed to continue. Okay, he's coming, it gets stuck. Fucking love this
And the way
story.
Cyrus describes
Yeah.
it, he's like,
Is this
I don't know what to do.
doing
I don't know what to do. He's tunaking away.
Yes, tunak. Fucking love it, dude. Oh, what a story. But I imagine that, you know.
Yeah,
now,
I
imagine
yeah.
this guy is going get me down. Out of breath and shit. Okay, you guys didn't get it. I'll read that one last time. आजा तुझे बतला दूं कि ये दुनिया कैसे झुकती है. आजा तुझे बतला दूं कि ये दुनिया कैसे झुकती है. मेरी तरह हो जिगरा तो ये दुनिया तुझसे डरती है. आंधी तूफान जो मुझसे टकराए, अरे मेरे आगे कोई टिक ना पाए. Nothing? Okay, half for half is as follows. You didn't get it, no, Akash?
No, nothing.
Okay,
I'm
so half for
just
half is as follows. आजा तुझे बतला दूं कि ये दुनिया कैसे झुकती है. And then आजा तुझे बतला दूं कि ये दुनिया कैसे झुकती है. मेरी तरह हो जिगरा तो ये दुनिया तुझसे डरती है. आंधी तूफान जो मुझसे टकराए, अरे मेरे आगे कोई टिक ना पाए. Come on, guys.
I've heard it now.
Come on, man.
Joseph.
Yeah, come on, guys.
Joseph.
Yeah, the audience is impatient. Yes, go ahead.
Is it
Yes.
Adam by Farid Ayaz and Abu Muhammad, Coke Studio version?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's all,
cool.
yeah. Apurva, yes.
मेरा ही जलवा.
मेरा ही जलवा.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Chalo. Last one is as follows. Okay. साथ मेरे है तू हर. Okay, sorry, I'll do that again. साथ मेरे है तू हर पल शब के अंधेरे में. पास मेरे है तू हर दम उजले सवेरे में. दिल से धड़कन भुला देना आसान नहीं है. That's it. Easy.
Neil.
Yeah.
दिल से धड़कन बुला आसान नहीं है. अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में.
Classic Metallica, isn't it? Just, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
That's, full 5 for this one. That was very
10
quick.
नहीं था क्या इसका? Okay.
No.
It's kind of poetic that the song had up to आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने में, where I'm used to not guessing these songs. No.
Absolutely right, dude. You know,
This
so
was a
there
rage.
is. I do have one song which I want to try.
Yeah.
But I don't expect anyone to get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's see.
So,
okay?
welcome to my world,
It's
guys.
a great song. I love the song, but let's see if you guys get it. Okay. Let's see if you guys get it. Okay?
All right.
छोकरा जवा हूँ मैं, लईस हूँ जवानी से, दूर हो गई हूँ मैं तेरी लंट रानी से. जो थाम ले कलाइयाँ उसी को जवा मानूं मैं, हो दिन दहाड़े तुझको तुझसे ही आज चुरा लूँ मैं. चल बहुत देखे हैं, डंके की चोट पे रे सीना ठोक के. That's it.
Is it हुआ छोकरा जवान?
Wow, he got it. That's it.
Oh wow, that's a song. Yeah.
What's the song?
I don't know the rest of the lines at all, man. I just know
हुआ
छोकरा जवान.
छोकरा जवान रे.
Wow.
हुआ छोकरा जवान. It was in the lyrics.
Yeah,
but
yeah, yeah.
I
Thanks.
thought people will overlook that, but you didn't. Nice.
Nobody overlooked that.
Nice. Sriram did, dude.
Yeah. Who wrote that song? Like my local gangster. Like, it just has-
It is from Ishaq Zadeh, right?
Ishaq Zadeh?
Ishaq Zadeh. Arjun Kapoor and Pariniti Chopra's movie.
Arjun Kapoor is a rich man's Apar Shakti, right? Like just
तो क्यों आया है यहाँ पे? Like everyone's reaction. All right. That brings us to the end of this episode, guys.
Hey.
We'll calculate the final scores. This is fucking awesome. 6, 12, okay.
who
sorry,
guys think won? Who do you think won? As Antiksh tallies it.
Audience.
Audience? I feel Akash won it. In the end, he got like some.
Yeah, it was too competitive.
Yeah, it's just, you know.
Petty.
It just Akash got his inner ETC music on and he just fucking won it in the end, man.
All right, guys. The scores are in.
Just-
Coming in in third place
Yeah, just say it. Give it to me
is
straight.
the
man.
audience.
Oh! Whoa!
With
Thanks,
22.5
guys.
points. Very well
Whoa.
done. Very well done.
But actually, it's
they
very-
answered less.
Yeah,
Points
that's
were
what-
quoted.
You guys
It's not
end up
fair,
like
fair.
answering
Yeah.
lesser.
Absolutely it's not fair. But you
Yeah.
guys, just to see how well you guys do in comparison to that, you know, so 22.5. You guys are respectable.
How much? How
All
much? How
great.
many? 22.5.
22.5.
Okay.
Coming in at second place,
Yeah.
first runners up, not being crowned the biggest Bollywood
Or
Badshah,
second loser, whichever you want to say.
second loser, is with 26 points, Sriram Padmanabhan.
Whoa. See, in my defense, I like to be closer to the people than to the elite, you know.
Absolutely, man.
And
And
Yeah.
being crowned the biggest Bollywood Badshah, the one, the only, with 32.5 points, Akash Saraoge!
hey!
Yeah. I hope you can see that. Acceptance speech.
Yeah.
Acceptance speech.
All right, guys. This was a very fun-filled evening. I really like
Eh?
Bollywood. I have no idea how I won. This keeps happening somehow. I think next time, I think Antriksh is a friend of mine, and he always will choose partners who don't know anything about Bollywood and help
He
me
knew
win.
quite a lot, dude. 26 and 22.5, not that
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
How many
he-
points did Akash get?
32.5.
Hey, that's it.
Hey,
Wow.
most of is that because he's just a little old, so you know, he just knows a lot. Otherwise, thanks, guys. Thanks for being here, and yeah,
Okay.
just want to say at the end,
Who would you like to thank?
I would like to thank no one actually because
Really?
please, yeah, man.
Really?
Don't talk
Really?
to a Badshah like that.
Seriously?
alright? I'll not take it.
I
okay?
know one person who
Just-
you can thank. Can I say it?
Neil. Nitin,
No.
That's 3 people.
For the amount of obscure songs that you know the answer to, all the shady porn that you've
Yeah.
been watching, when the
That's- you gotta
backdrop they have
thank Javed
ETC.
Akhtar for all that
Yeah,
shit.
Javed Akhtar, all
For all that
that.
porn he's been writing for
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And
Yeah.
as you know, as I wanted to say, Tapsi
Tumhari
Pannu,
Oyo room
not
hai
a great
jaisi.
human being. I'm just saying,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
Tapsi
this
Pannu, not a great human being?
Yeah, just not. Hey, did you just question it?
I mean, yeah.
No. This,
Oh,
Do we really
sorry.
want this
I'm
cocky
sorry,
a
my bad.
Badshah right
You're
now?
Right, you're right.
do you think I became a Badshah to
Yeah.
not be
It is
cocky?
just, yeah.
that's why I was
Wow.
so competitive all
It's
the
the
time.
Modi
You gotta earn
complex
your
all over
cockiness.
again.
Yeah, man.
You give a Gujarati man some power, you know, or a man from Surat some power,
Yeah.
and then suddenly,
that's what we
yeah.
get. man.
Yeah, it's
Like-
yeah. Next time I tell things.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right,
awesome.
guys.
Cool.
That's it.
Thanks for being.
Thank you
fans.
so much for everyone who joined us. Fucking awesome, this audience.
Yes,
Great.
amazing
Yes,
audience.
If you're watching this on YouTube,
Subjects, but great. Yeah.
wherever you're
Yeah.
watching this, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
And comment. Let us know which your favorite round was, which is your favorite game. Could you answer before Akash and Sriram and the
Yeah.
audience?
Of course.
So
How much
let's see.
sexier Antriksh has grown over the past few weeks. That's another one.
You know, just before this, Akash, I'm gonna say it.
Yeah.
You know, Akash told me today, just before we end, okay? Today, Akash comes to me, he's like, dude, I am so pissed with Sriram. I'm like, why? What did Sriram do? He's like, dude, my girlfriend today told me that she finds Sriram cute.
Really?
Yeah.
She said hot. I am just correcting.
Oh, wow, he said hot.
Yeah. And Shriram is dead after this. Just so you know, as a Badshah.
Just so you know.
Just,
All right.
I mean,
That's it, guys. See you
she
next
doesn't,
week. Bye-bye.
she doesn't know I'm gay yet.
I'm going to marry 39 more times. Okay. So this
You
is
bought?
what- yeah.